Looking for an honest answer on the ZZIP. Honest Review plus Full Guide 2025. Even though the automated process appears simple, the real issue is the steep financial commitment and high dependence it creates. The main problem is that serious growth requires a costly high-tier plan, making the tool effective only for those willing to incur significant recurring expenses and rely entirely on its proprietary algorithms. Hey! Looking for the Zeely AI instantly creates AI influencer videos and static ads simply from your product link, saving small businesses significant time and effort in content creation. This platform allows you to launch full ad campaigns on social media directly in minutes, with the AI assisting in budget management. Despite minor inconsistencies in avatar quality, Zeely AI is a powerful all-in-one game changer for 2026 for quick, efficient advertising. Let's break down the ZB pricing structure. While the starter plan at $29.25 per month is tempting, the most popular choice is clearly the growth plan at $17.95. For that increased investment, you jump from just 10 ad campaigns to a huge 1-in-100 creatives to 500. If your goal is serious social media growth, the growth package undeniably gives you the best return on investment. A user of AI Review finds the service warrants extreme caution despite some good product experiences. A quick search reveals frequent one-star Trustpilot reviews and complaints about support, and the inability to easily cancel subscriptions. Furthermore, there are serious billing issues like being charged for clicks that never arrived in stores. For many, these systemic flaws mean the brand is quickly blacklisted in their minds. If this helped, hit like unsubscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.